Hello, third grade, and welcome to our iLearn prep. Make sure that you have clicked on the correct RN 3.3 perspective iLearn practice on your Edge Elastic, and we will go ahead and begin. Pause the video if you need time to get there. Alright, so there are 14 questions, but we are not going to be going through all 14, so make sure you follow along with me. And let's go ahead and begin. Dogs versus cats. Have you tried to decide if your next pet should be a cat or a dog? The answer is simple. Dogs are much better pets than cats. Dogs are loving and loyal pets and will be happy when you get home. Cats are too independent, like to be left alone. Another reason why dogs are better than cats is that dogs can protect you from danger. Cats are not protective. They run from danger. Dogs are better pets because they can help you fit when you walk them. You can also play with them to stay active. Cats do not need walked and don't play. Dogs are the most loyal, protective, and fun pets you can get. Now, what is the author's purpose? Why did they write this? Did they write this to persuade you to like something, to inform you about something, or to entertain you, something interesting to read? Well, they're trying to convince you, and convince is a synonym for persuade. They're trying to convince you that dogs are better than cats. So choose to persuade you. Then click Next. Now, what is the author's perspective? What do they think about dogs and cats? We're going to start with our sentence starter up here. The author's perspective is. Go ahead and type that out. Now I'm going to say what the author's perspective is about dogs and cats, because that's what the title is, and they talk about both in the passage, is that dogs, they like dogs better than cats. So dogs are better than cats. Pause the video if you need more time to type this out. Click Next. List 2 reasons to support why you think that is your author's perspective. Why do they like dogs more than cats? Well, one reason is, and I can go back into my text and find a reason, that dogs are loyal pets and cats are independent. That dogs are loyal, but, conjunction, cats are too independent. Now that's just one reason. It says 2 reasons, so my second sentence starter is another reason is. So I'm just going to put a space and type my second sentence. Another reason is, and I'll go back and find another reason. Ooh, right here it even says another reason why dogs are better than cats is that dogs protect you from danger. Cats are not protective. So another reason is dogs can protect you from danger, but cats are not protective. Pause the video if you need more time to type this out. And then click Next. Which statement would the author agree with? Would they agree that you should get a dog, that you should get a cat, or you should get a pet? They might agree with more than one, but which one would they agree with most? Probably that you should get a dog. Because this author's perspective on dogs is that they are great pets. Number 5. Number 5, 6, and 7 you will answer on your own. Remember your sentence starter for do you agree with the author's point of view? You cross out the question words. I agree with the author's point of view, or I do not agree with the author's point of view because, and then you have to use evidence to support why. Number 6, you use 2 sentences. There are 2 sentences that support the author's point of view or perspective. And how does the author feel about insects? Once you get to number 8, go ahead and click to the end, and I want you to submit. Do not do the rest of them. Don't answer any of the rest of them. Just click all the way through the rest of them, and then I want you to submit. Once you are finished, you can move on to the next activity for today.